Hello, welcome to the Style Spot channel. In this video, I am trying Alicia Key's inspired hair wrap. She did a really relaxing and fun tutorial on how she wraps her hair, and I just thought it's summer, it's super hot right now. I just have messy hair and some days I don't leave the house, so I wanted something to do that looked like I put effort in, like it's a little bit stylish. And yeah, so this is the first wrap, and I'll show you how I did this, and then we'll do some different head wrap scarf things. Let's get to it. Oh, you are gonna need, if you're gonna do this with me, you're gonna need like a square scarf, and then also like a long rectangular bigger scarf. Hopefully in like a fun color that complements your face. This one I just had to borrow from my husband because I didn't actually have any square scarves. So you also might need some hairpins and a hair tie. All right, let's get ready. Let's go. So Alicia talks about having your hair like up at the top of your head to create like a really long, I guess like a longer frame at the back. I don't have very much luck with putting my hair up at the top of my head. I tried, it just doesn't work out well, but we'll try again. I like to use these kind of scrunchies because they don't hurt my hair as much. I have very thick, heavy hair, and it hurts if I have it up too long with one of those thin little scrunchies. So there, that's about as high as I can get mine. And then you've got your square scarf, which you fold into a triangle. So point to point. Let's see. It's gonna be like folding a sheet by myself. We don't know how much fun that is. Okay, then you take the longest part of the triangle, put it behind you. Feel free to laugh out loud at this point. That's fine. So you've got this little thing blocking your face, the point of the triangle. Then I like to cover my ears so that I don't end up looking like Dopey from the Seven Dwarfs. It's my ears sticking out. Alicia does not do this kind of twist, but I feel like it just holds in place better with my hair. And then she wraps it around, then kind of tucks in. Just find a little hole or a place to loop it. And then this is where it gets fun because everybody has a different shape head and different hairline. And so like I've got a lot of little baby hairs in the back from doing my own pandemic haircut. But you can just tuck it in. If you have a really silky scarf and it's slipping off your head, then you can go ahead and put little pins in at the side or clips. So all the way around, my hair is up, my neck feels cool, I can breathe. Okay, I'm gonna try it the way Alicia does it, where, let me see if I remember. I think she just crosses like this, and then she went around, if I remember correctly. And then I think this is long enough that I could just tie it. Okay, so that looks nothing. Well, it looks kind of somewhat-ish like she had it. I'm gonna twist it. And then tuck it in. Something like that, yeah? Okay. Let's try with a rectangular scarf. See how that goes. I'm gonna try with a really small, thin scarf and just see. I am gonna leave my hair down for this one because I'm kind of going for more of the vintage. Let me see if I remember. I watched so many tutorial videos on like 1940s vintage inspired hair wrappings, and they all just got mixed up in my head. And I don't remember when you're supposed to cross, and I think pretty much all of them have you twisting it at the front like that. Okay. And this one is long enough that I can tie it in the back. Okay. Something like that. And then you can make it wider or thinner. Ooh, I don't really like this one. Got messy. My hair got messy. I did it the wrong way. It's a fail on using something, which Alicia told me. Alicia said, she said, do not use something silky and smooth. You're gonna have trouble. Alicia was right. Let's try with a different one. So this time, this beautiful blue scarf my mom gave me recently. I believe, you have to believe. Okay, now, tight, tight. I don't think you're supposed to have hair sticking out at the top. Nope. Let's see if I can cover that. Can I cover it? Tight. Make a little knot. I believe. Ooh, this one's not terrible, you guys. Every 5 tries, I'm getting a little better. Just got like 50 more times to go and then I'll have it. Hey, I'm happy with this one. Okay, so let me know which styles you tried, if you have a certain style, or like a link to a video that you like, because I am definitely going to be doing these as part of my like weekend routine from now on. I think just like Friday nights, take a bath, light a candle, like Alicia said, do my hair wrap, listen to my music. Oh, thanks so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, all the wonderful things to show that you're happy with this video. We'll see you back next week. Bye.